Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful turban with a twisted cross design. Here are the materials needed to make it. Any stretchy fabric. I used 1 yard of lycra fabric, a sewing machine, scissors, ruler, chalk, needle and a matching thread, pins and measuring tape. I'll be starting with the V-band and the measurement is 5 inches by 28 inches. That is the 28 inches for the head circumference. This fabric is stretchy. Okay, so next I'll fold like this. Then I'll fold it again. I'll hold with pin. Okay, then I'll come to this part. You can see this is the folded part. Then I'll come up here. I'll measure 2 inches and mark it. Okay, then next I'll slant it from the 2 inches mark. I'll slant it down here. You can see. Next I'll cut it out with scissors. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is my V band. You can see. Next, you see here, this top part, I'll be putting them together like this. You can see. I'll hold with pin. Okay, then next I'll take to my sewing machine and I'll sew. This is it after sewing it. Next I'll get the body. The measurement for the body is 14 inches by 27 inches. 27 inches is the stretchy part. That is the head circumference. Next I'll fold in half and I'll notch the middle. I'll repeat the same thing for the band, for the V band. I'll fold in half. Now notch it. Okay. Okay, next I'll place it right side facing each other. You can see like this. I'm placing the notched parts together. I'll hold with pin. Then I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew from here to here and from here to here. This is it after joining the body to the band. Next, I'll fold like this. And I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew, come down, go like this and sew. I'll be sewing 1/2 inch. Okay, this is it after sewing it. Next, I'll double my thread and I'll make a running stitch from here and I'll stop here and I'll gather it. Okay, this is it. Next, I'll set aside. For the twisted part, the measurement is 15 inches by 28 inches. I have it in 2 places, you can see. Okay, next, I will mark 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch till I get to the end, and I'll connect them in a straight line. Okay, next I'll connect the marks in a straight line with a ruler. Okay, I'll continue like that till I get to the end. This is it. After connecting the marks, I'll pick up one line like this and I'll fold it. You can see. Then I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew 1/4 inch till I get to the end. I'll repeat the same thing for each line till I get to the end. This is it. Next, I'll fold like this in half and I'll sew 1/4 inch. This is it. So next, I'll turn it inside out. Okay, this is it. Next, I'll repeat the same thing here. Okay, this is it. Then next, I'll cross it. You can see what I'm doing. Bring this one here. Bring the other one here. Okay. Next, I'll make sure that the ends are on the same line. Okay, let me hold them with pin. Okay, next I'll repeat the same thing here. Then I will take to the sewing machine and I'll sew, and I'll stop here. I'll come here and I'll sew and I'll stop here. Okay, this is it after sewing them. Next, okay, this will be the wrong side. I'll be placing the right side facing each other like this. Okay, this is it after sewing it. Next, I will make a running stitch and gather it. Then I will take to my sewing machine and sew. This is it. Then I will turn to the right side. Okay, this is it. Okay, next I will be joining it to my turban. Okay, I will join it after the band, immediately after the band. The needle and thread is coming out from the place that is sewn, so it will not be visible. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching.